It's actually Monday morning. It's about 2 in the morning, and I'm pretty much ending yesterday's vlog and starting today's vlog, but it's new day, so here we are in an elevator. Alright. One thing you learn to cope with is lack of sleep when you own your own business. And I love it. Alright, y'all, I'm recording on my phone right now, so let me know if the quality of this sucks or is actually pretty good. So, we got Good Karma flax milk. I've been craving like an almond milk or flax milk, so I'm gonna grab some of this. We've got Kite Hill unsweetened, unflavored almond yogurt. This stuff is the bomb diggity. Look at those macros. Alright. I've never seen this one before. It's Waterloo carbonated, just keto-friendly sparkling water. Gonna try this stuff. And then we got this halloumi frying cheese that Keto Connect recommended to me. So we're gonna cook this up and see how it tastes as well. Let's do it. All right, y'all. The Waterloo sparkling water actually isn't too bad at all. I like it. I like this much better than LaCroix. I've never really been a fan of LaCroix. The ZVs are pretty good. This is pretty good. How's my cell phone video quality? Is that pretty good? That's the big question. All right, shall we just get in checking our P.O. box? What do we get?
We got Grapow.
Grapow.
Excited about it.
I'm excited about that for sure.
Yes. We also got these awesome shirts. This is one of our, the people that that follows us is a nanny for special needs children, and one of their the fathers is actually a YouTuber, and it's Fathering Autism. And so if you guys want to, you can go follow them on YouTube. So she sent us each a shirt, which is so awesome, which April was Autism Awareness Month, but we did not get the shirts until May, but we will still rock them.
What else we get? That's awesome, by the way.
Yeah,
very, very
so
thankful.
Freaking cool. And then we got just dropping things.
One of my clients just got back from Hawaii, and they sent me some Hawaiian coffee with a note that said, because you need to stop drinking that Starbucks shit. What we got there? Lucky
So
Mr. Sykes.
Dang cute.
Future Mrs. Sykes.
I literally was like jumping up and down with like this like excited little girl thing when I got these. This is the first Mrs. Sykes thing I've received.
Boom.
I'm so excited. We were having a really stressful day, and we just came to the post office to send out some stuff and got our P.O. box, and it's just absolutely amazing how much love we have received, and we're blessed. You guys turn our days around all the time.
Yes, y'all do. Yes, you do. All right, y'all. I've never tried this before, but I have a feeling it's gonna be addicting. So I'm gonna try a little bit.
What kind are you trying?
So this is the salted caramel brownie. It'd be lights out. I would eat this whole bag.
I'm not on prep anymore.
And then PB&J thumb prep.
There was one more. We didn't get that one, but they all seemed like they would taste really good.
I don't know why people even eat carbs. You don't need carbs. Just keto all the way. All right, y'all. I'm gonna eat my next meal. Kite Hill yogurt. I'm gonna have this entire thing with some Walden Farms caramel syrup. The macros on this beast are, per 5.3 ounces, we got 140 calories, 13 grams fat, 1 gram of carb, and 6 grams of protein. Make sure you get the plain unsweetened one. I'm shooting this on my camera still. What do y'all think about the video? What do y'all think about the video quality? Is it good? Is it bad? Is the audio good or bad? I'm kind of curious. I'm just going to shoot this whole vlog with my camera on my phone and see how it turns out. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. It's going to be good. I'm going to have my last meal right now as well. I've got some mozzarella cheese, and these are those Teton Waters and Dewey sausages. Super, super tasty. So this is going to pretty much finish up my macros for the day. along with one more coffee. What we about to do, baby?
We're about to go to Starbucks on campus and do some work.
Those are some nice earrings you got there.
Thanks. My fiance got them for me.
Whoa. On campus again, y'all. I don't know why we work on campus. Just change the scenery more than anything. Where we headed now?
Oh, we're heading to Starbucks to get some more work done.
Starbucks to get more work done. I'm curious to see how the camera looks as it gets duskier. This is still the phone camera, so we're just testing out the capabilities of this bad boy for vlogging. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. By the way, my name is somewhere on this sidewalk.
One day we'll find it.
I gotta find it someday. All the graduates are on the sidewalk. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get a quick side-by-side comparison of my camera and my phone. This is me talking to the camera. This is me talking to the phone. Which one's better? Which one's better? Audio, video, let me know. All right, back on the camera. Real quick, I wanted to talk about how do you know when it's time to move to phase 2. So if you're doing DSK, you've gone through phase 1. You can put that phone down, Crystal. You can, by the way, Crystal, we're walking on campus right now. There's a bunch of squirrels on campus. And I walked close to a squirrel. And you know, like the squirrels on campus are like the most docile creatures. You can practically pick them up with your hands. She's like, ooh, gross. I'm like, what are you talking about? She's like, that scared me. What if that squirrel attacked you? It had rabies. I proposed to a city girl. Anyways, real quick, how do you tell if it's time to move on to phase 2? So I'm in the 3rd week of phase 1 right now. I've increased my protein 5 grams each week. I've decreased my fat 5 grams each week. Currently, I'm at 145 grams of protein and I believe 160 grams of fat. I can tell that I've hit my fat threshold or my protein threshold. I'm more bloated. I'm more lethargic. Of course, that might be something because I'm not sleeping very much. But I definitely feel more bloated, and I just don't feel optimal. Like I feel like when I eat the food that I'm eating, I don't have to eat it. Like I don't feel like I'm wanting it or needing it. A lot of people ask about how do you know, and honestly, the more in tune you get with your body, the more you know how you feel, the more you'll be able to hone in on that and kind of be in touch with that. Initially, it's probably not going to be as apparent because you don't know your body that well yet. As you get more in tune with your body, kind of with these really higher fat ratios, you'll be able to tap into that more readily. But a couple pointers to look for: are you bloating? Is your weight going up? Like right now, this morning, I woke up heavier than I had these past 2 weeks. That's a good indicator for me that I've hit my protein threshold. So I'm heavier, I'm more bloated, I feel more lethargic, I just don't feel as optimal or that I need the food that I'm taking in. So that's pretty much how you know. That's how I know. So I'll be moving to phase 2 shortly. Alright, y'all, one thing I really want y'all to pay attention to as you go through this course is to have like a long view approach and mentality to it. You might not know instantly the day of when you hit your threshold, and that's okay. You know, you're going to progressively adapt with this course. It's going to evolve with you. So like the more in tune you get with your body as you go through it, the more you'll understand how your body responds to those certain ratios. So take that into consideration as you go through it. Just be open-minded and just tap into how you feel. Take note of that. Take notes. Like, be conscious of what foods make you feel what way, and just kind of like what ratios you feel and perform best at. And then that's an ever-evolving thing too. Like that's gonna depend on where you're at, you know, with your hormones, your age, what sex you are. There's lots of different variables at play here. So everybody's gonna have a different ratio. For me, my sweet spot's like between 78 and 80 to 81% of my calories coming from fat. That's going to be different for you. This course in general advocates a higher fat ratio, so the majority of y'all will benefit from that higher fat ratio, but those specific numbers are going to be different for everybody, and that might change, you know, as your lifestyle factors change, such as your training, your sleep patterns, like lots of variables at play. Just be conscious of that, tap into it, you know, be mindful of how you feel and how the different variables affect you, and just learn with it, have fun with it. You know, you don't have to know exactly to the T every single manipulation you need to make on the day that it needs to be made. you know, if there's a lag effect with keto. So if you're a couple of days behind in making that adjustment, that's okay. Be conscious of that too, and just tap into that. So yeah, most important thing here is just have fun with it. Learn your body, learn how it adapts to the manipulations you put forth, and that's gonna be the biggest tool for you to use going forward, long after this course is over. So yeah, buddy, that's all I gotta say about that. Talk soon.